Practical Python Programming. Hello and welcome to the Practical Python Programming lecture series. This course is designed to take you from Python fundamentals to practical mastery. Whether you're new to programming or have experience with other languages, this series will help you develop a strong foundation in Python and build confidence in applying it to practical tasks. This series is based on David Beazley's Practical Python Programming course, known for its hands-on approach, clear explanations, and focus on essential programming concepts. We'll cover everything from Python syntax and built-in data structures to advanced features like iterators, generators, and working with external libraries. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills to tackle challenges in data processing, scripting, and software development. Our journey will prioritize understanding Python's design philosophy and leveraging it effectively in real-world scenarios. So, let's dive in and unlock Python's potential. Chapter 0. Welcome to the first chapter of this series. This chapter is all about setting up your environment, understanding the course structure, and preparing for a rewarding learning journey. This course focuses on hands-on programming, so ensuring your setup is optimized for Python script development is key. It covers course duration and commitment. Plan for 25 to 35 hours of work to master the content. Python setup. A basic Python 3.6 or newer installation is all you need, no additional tools or dependencies required. Development environment. The course emphasizes scripting and program organization, so working in an editor with terminal access is recommended over interactive tools like Jupyter Notebooks. Forking, cloning the repository. Instructions for setting up the course repository and organizing your work are provided to streamline your coding experience. Course structure. Exercises are sequential and build on earlier work, making it essential to follow the prescribed order. By the end of this chapter, you'll have everything you need to start coding and making the most of this series. This course is designed to provide a hands-on learning experience that emphasizes writing scripts and organizing programs effectively. You'll gain practical skills that are essential for solving real-world problems using Python. The material is designed to challenge you, but the time and dedication you put into understanding the exercises will significantly enhance your programming capabilities. By diving into this course, you'll not only learn Python syntax but also develop best practices for writing clean, modular, and maintainable code, skills that are fundamental to becoming a proficient programmer. To get started with this course, you'll need Python 3.6 or newer, with no additional tools or libraries required. This minimal setup ensures that you can focus on mastering Python's core features without worrying about complex dependencies. For the best learning experience, use a text editor paired with terminal access. This setup makes it easier to write and execute scripts while also supporting critical programming practices like organizing code into functions and modules, and refactoring multi-file programs. Although tools like Jupyter Notebooks are popular for experimentation, they're not well suited for the type of program organization we'll cover in this course. To gain the most value, stick with a development environment that allows for proper scripting and modular design. To begin working on the course exercises, you'll need to set up the course repository from GitHub. You can either fork it to your own account for better version control of your solutions or simply clone it directly to your machine from the given URL. https://github.com/dabbies-course/practical-python. All your coding should be done within the work directory provided in the repository. This ensures your scripts and solutions are organized in a structured way. Additionally, the data directory contains essential files and resources for the exercises, so you'll frequently need to access it as part of your coding tasks. By keeping everything in these directories, you'll maintain an organized workspace that will streamline your learning and provide a useful reference for future projects. This course is carefully structured to build your Python skills step by step, so it's important to complete the sections in order. Each section lays the groundwork for the next, with later exercises often extending or improving upon the code you've already written. As you progress, you'll focus on essential programming practices like organizing your code into functions, modules, and imports. You'll also work on refactoring multi-file programs, which is a critical skill for maintaining and improving the quality of your codebase. Solution code is available as a resource, but for the best learning experience, try to solve the exercises on your own first. Use the solutions sparingly, as hints, to guide you through particularly challenging problems. This approach will help you develop a deeper understanding of Python and problem-solving techniques. In this chapter, we prepared for the practical Python programming course by setting up our environment and understanding the course layout. Key points include: time commitment. Dedicate sufficient time to fully engage with the material. Python installation. A basic Python 3.6 or newer setup is sufficient, no extra tools are required. Working environment. Use an editor with terminal access, and avoid Jupyter notebooks to benefit from program organization exercises. Repository setup. Fork or clone the GitHub repository and keep your work organized in the designated directory. Sequential coursework. Progress through the course in order, as later exercises build on earlier ones. With your setup complete, you're now ready to dive into Python programming and tackle the challenges ahead. Talk to you again soon.